Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Unfortunately, Boy does not have it in his heart to forgive Uwenzeni, right? He cannot forgive Uwewe because Uwewe made him lose one of his biggest deals in soccer. Ugai has been working overtime making sure Guti he gets there. But when Zeni spiked his energy drink with alcohol and he tested positive for alcohol. And because of that, he was kicked out of the team and he was unable to reach a goal that he's been working hard to reach. At this point, Ugai is not pretending he cannot. Then Boy was to calm down, but he had to tell his mother what happened. Then the parents had a meeting. Obviously, Upeteni, no Nomfundo, they did not see eye to eye. They did not agree in anything. But Sibalkhulu tried to make sure Uguti he handles the situation by saying, I'll talk to the principal. These two will never get along, Shem. Because in Uksherindo, it's not easy. Like, no, it's not. But they will never get along. With that said, Afoneke Usamke. Then when she called, Upeteni was livid and I don't want to talk to you. You know I can't trust you. You're not my friend in Jewi Nyokawen. Then Usamke was like, no, I'm calling for something else. Please ensure that you are seated because the news that I'm about to tell you is not good news. Then Upeteni was like, okay, what's up? And then that's when Usamke broke the news that Udeliwe was no more. This is sad because Udeliwe was like larger than life. Her character, how she lived, like Ugo, like literally loved life, and she was not even in her 60s by the time she deceased or she passed away. At this point, that made Ulo Upeteni also to be like numb and feel sad, and Ugo like actually dropped a tear. Yes, Upeteni did cry for Udeliwe. Then she asked Ukwenzo to go and deliver flowers for Sibongile and also break the news to Usibongile. Usibongile loyo ke umngani ubuyile wamxoxela umngani ukuthi phela mina noKwenzo nayi indaba and I don't want to lose uKwenzo. When uKwenzo entered with flowers, she jumped to Kwenzo thinking ukuthi no, uKwenzo uzobona yena ulethele nama flowers and kanti that's not the situation. The situation was uKwenzo coming and breaking the news ukuthi uMamDeliwe is no more. I share yazini ubona ukuthi uSibongile is devastated, but uKwenzo seems to always be there when needed by uSibongile. Also, the parents went an extra mile and made sure that the lady that was busy with uKwenzo, trying to flirt with uKwenzo and be in Kwenzo's sheets, was barking moved. So now they got somebody else to work on that contract before uKwenzo aluza i-relationship yakhe nobani noSibongile, meaning ukuthi uPhetheni sekawumuntu bazalwane, uPhetheni sekasindisiwe. With that said, uVelephi nobhuti wakhe uSangweni, they're not seeing eye to eye because uSangweni feels ukuthi uVelephi is the one that made sure ukuthi akabona umamakhe and umamakhe ushona akakamboni, which is sad because he always wanted to go to the hospital and see the mother, while the brother umalume to Abo Velephi is blaming uBambu Vuma and saying, "Wena Vuma, you are the cause of all this. If you did not allow the community members and the king to chase out your wife, who is my sister, out of the community because of her actions, if you had fought better, Ugo will still be here. But Ugo is not here because when you did not fight." And we all know Uguti Vuma was going to fight, but unfortunately the things that Udeliwe did were unspeakable and unforgivable by the community. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.